make t the subject of the relation. Our given relation is b equals the fraction 10 divided by 5cw squared t, right? So let's quickly delve into our solution, right? So solution, our given relation is b equals the fraction 10 divided by 5cw squared t, right? So here, okay, we have to find the LCM of the relation, right? And the LCM here is 5 because this b, right, is divisible by 1, right? And the least common factor that can be multiplied through the entire equation is 5, right? So we multiply 5 throughout the equation, right? So what we do for the right hand side of the equation, we do same for the left hand side of the equation. So the relation or the fraction 10 divided by 5cw squared t are together, right? They are together. So we multiply the entire equation by 5, okay? And in similar trajectory, we also multiply by b, right? Which is an independent variable on the left hand side of the equation, right? So we do that. So 5 multiplying b equals 5 multiplying the fraction 10 divided by 5cw squared t, right? So when we state that, we have to cancel out, right? So this 5 here would cancel itself out and it will cancel the 5 here. So in expanding, okay, in expanding, we are going to have 5 multiplying b will give us 5b, right? And 5 will cancel itself out here, right? Okay, it will cancel this 5 too, right? So we are going to have 5b, our new equation to be 5b equals 10cw squared t, right? And we were tasked to make, based on the preamble of our question, we were tasked to make t the subject of the relations, right? So we have our new equation to be 5b equals 10 cw squared t, right? So we want to make t an independent, right? So in making t independent, at the moment t is dependent on 10 cw squared, right? So we have to cancel out 10 cw squared, which is the dependent variable, for t to become independent and become the subject of the relations, right? And whatever you do for the left hand side or the right hand side of the equation, you do same for the left hand side of the equation, and vice versa, right? So we cancel out both sides of the equation by 10 cw squared for us to make t the subject of the relation. So we are going to have a new equation to be the fraction 5b divided by 10 cw squared equals the fraction 10 cw squared t, right? Divided by 10 cw squared, right? So 10 cw squared will cancel itself, okay? Right, it will cancel itself as shown here. Out 1, it will cancel 10 cw squared here, right? Making t the subject of the relation. So we are going to have t to be the fraction 5b divided by 10 cw squared as our t, right? So this is our final answer. So our final answer therefore is t equals the fraction 5b divided by 10 cw squared as our final answer. Okay, thank you so much for watching today's series. Kindly do what to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.